For Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo Bronner Jr., it will only harm the country if soldiers get involved in politics or in any attempt to withdraw support for the government. This comes amid reports that some retired AFP officials are allegedly urging active members to withdraw their support for President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., something Bronner has confirmed.
Because again, it will set us back. It will set the Philippines back several years. The investors will start, pulling out. There will be a stoppage of the normal lives of the Filipinos. Livelihoods will be interrupted and so on. Magulo. We saw this already in the past.
Bronner stressed that such calls for a coup never succeed and that the AFP will remain professional and adhere to the chain of command. He also said it's good to let the ongoing investigation into government corruption continue, particularly on flood control projects.
We believe that we have democratic processes and procedures working today. And hopefully from these investigations, cases will be filed in court. The court will decide on this. We support the advocacy of the President in the fight against corruption.
Meanwhile, morale within the police ranks remains high and there is no need for a loyalty check. PNP Acting Chief Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. also said that if anyone approaches him to stage a revolt, he will refuse.
Pagka meron, and then maybe pwede ko silang kausapin not to do it and what's the basis? We have a president that is a sitting president who won by majority votes. I don't see any basis para patalsikin. As well as sa pamumuno ng ating presidente, it started during the July SONA, wherein siya na mismo ang nagsabi to put a stop of corruption, especially flooding that caused the flooding here in Metro Manila.
Meanwhile, the PNP has also prepared security measures for the large-scale protest expected in the coming months.
Especially that we are rationalizing and or improving our template in this kind of activity to secure. Okay, we're gonna use our resources at tutulungan natin ang ating mga units.
Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.